If you would have asked me 6 months ago that, Ani, what's the best tool? And the tool name is Claude Code. It's way cheaper than Clay, and here's what it does. You give it your ICP description in one sentence and connect all your different tools that you have using API keys or MCP connections. All these tools are the ones that we have discussed till now and are part of your tech stack like Blitz API or Instantly.ai. And since it would have API access to all those different tools, it will figure out the best process to scrape your ICP from all those multiple data providers. It will also find the niche directories and scrape them directly by building Python scripts. It will scrape all the companies, find the right decision makers, enrich emails using multiple providers that you're connected, also verify the emails using the email verifier tool that you have connected, and upload all those emails, personalize them to your Instantly account or Smart Lead or whatever you're using for email sequencing. And it will also set up the automations like reply agents if you want to set up them. Everything done for you from a single prompt. And the best part is that you don't juggle between multiple tools and you don't even need to know all those tools that I have talked about. All you need to do is just take subscriptions of those tools and generate an API key and connect it with the Claude Code using an MCP or directly with just providing the API key on Claude. So from the high level, you just prompt Claude Code that, hey, I want to create a campaign. This is the exact ICP. This is the sequence. And it will literally create the campaign for you within a few hours. If you want to learn how I use Claude Code to automate my entire process, then I would recommend getting my course, which is literally 45 plus hours of exclusive content recorded by me. But you don't need to watch the entire course. Even if you watch some of the important modules that I have marked as important, then you'll get most of it. I teach every major outbound tools from Clay to Apify to Cursor and even Claude Code, including all the strategies that are working right now, because this is literally what I do for a living. I'm not someone who is just a poor seller. I'm someone who actually works with businesses who are actually sending lots and lots of emails every single day and testing what's working and what's not working.